it's day 100 and I am celebrating this 100th day of writing songs in the most hilarious way to me. Um, so whether you've been following me or not, I'll just tell you one of the funniest to me parts of this journey has been how many people love my burping, which is so ridiculous. Like I left a really loud burp in a couple of songs and those videos have gotten like hundreds of times the amount of views as other videos. And you know, there just seems to be a big need for burping in the world. And it's so ridiculous, yet somehow wholesome. I just am delighted by it. So to celebrate this 100th day of writing songs, I am creating a burping account on OnlyFans for people who want to get more regular burping content. Like I would feel wrong about depriving people of the passage of air that just comes so naturally. You know, it's like, let's just let the whole thing, let's let it flow. So I just christened my account. It is onlyfans.com/burping Bumble elf. I'm the burping Bumble elf. I decided I could give you a whole, it's pretty easy to see how I got there, really. It's like started with like, I'll be the burping bumblebee. Kind of like, you know, it's off of the Love Swarm. I was like, I could be a burping butterfly. But I think burping bumblebee was fun. And then I was like, burping bumble queen, that's cool. And then my boyfriend said, maybe a burping bumble elf. And I was like, wait, that's actually who I am. I'm an elf who burps. Wow. Okay. I just have found my true calling and I would love to have you there. If you want to come join the team burping Bumble elf and have a fun time. I'm so excited. It's so silly for me and fun. So I'm going to share with you a video that I'll also post there. It's just kind of an introduction to who I am, perhaps a theme song for the burping Bumble elf. So that's going to come right now. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for being here on my 100 days of singing my diary. It's been really fun and I'm going to keep singing. I'm also going to sing on this page. I should say that too. Like I really love making music and singing songs, and it's like if I burp, it's great. So I'll just make sure that all the videos also have burps just to keep everybody happy. But you might like to follow the account even if you just like me. Like I'll be there. So whatever. It's just it's kind of weird, but it's also fine. Like if you love burping, I love that about you. And it's great. Okay, enjoy the song. See you soon. Mwah. Okie dokie. Oh, great way to start. It's selfish to keep these burps inside. I promise I'm not trying to hide. I'll always be myself and oh, I'm your burping Bumble elf. I hope you'll join me on the ride. I've heard the burping content sucks. All you want are fresh burping vids. So if you're feeling stuck, I'll tell you